In this video, I'll share with you how I secured my portable generator and my gas can against the bulkhead of my truck. I purchased this bulkhead rail system from Integral Truck. I'll leave a link in the description below. I bolted this gas can holder to the bulkhead rail. It does a good job in keeping the gas can in place. The integral swivel strap, which came with the rail, is a fantastic addition for securing things in the bed of your truck. It's easy to move it around to any position on the rail, and then you just pull it out and then ratchet down whatever you want to secure. For security while I'm not around, I wrap a bike cable lock around the back of the rail. A spring-loaded coil makes winding up the strap easy. Just push the lever and it winds itself up. This has been a DIY Saver production. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And if you want to see more content, hit subscribe too.